Let's turn all of this abstract AI theory into a solid, tangible digital asset that actually generates real income. By the end of this video, we are going to design a bundle of digital stickers and push them live to the internet in under 6 minutes. Look at this complete workflow. We need exactly 3 tools: an AI image generator, a design canvas to format it, and a digital storefront. Having these platforms queued up in your browser right now removes the friction between having a good idea and actually getting paid for it. We start in the AI image generator. This blank text box is where the raw material is made. This diagram breaks down our master prompt. We input 4 parameters: subject, floral elements, layout, 2x2 grid, preferred illustration style, and a solid white background. Once submitted, the AI generates 4 distinct floral designs directly into our grid format. Do not ask the AI for recognizable brand mascots or cartoon characters here. Intellectual property strikes will immediately shut down your storefront. Keep it generic. Now, download this result and save the image file directly to your desktop. What we have sitting on the desktop is strictly raw material. A buyer cannot use a cluster of images stuck to a single white square. We have to refine it. Open up your background removal tool. We need to strip away that white space so the flowers stand on their own. Right now, we have a flat JPEG. That means the white background is glued to the artwork. We are converting it into a PNG file, which allows the background to be completely transparent. Upload your saved grid into the tool, let the software detect the borders of the flowers, and click Remove. This comparison shows what we achieved. On the left, the restrictive white box. On the right are isolated designs, ready for any surface. That gray and white checkerboard is the universal signal in graphic design that your background is completely transparent. Zoom in on the edges of the petals. Make sure the software didn't leave behind any jagged white pixels. Anyone can generate an image. Properly extracting the asset is what makes it professional grade. Move over to your design canvas tool. We are going to crop that single transparent grid and export it as 4 separate individual image files. When you save these, name them clearly, like Pink Flower 01 and Pink Flower 02. Vague file names cause massive confusion for buyers trying to sort through their downloads. Take those 4 newly named files and place them together inside a single dedicated folder on your desktop. We need to package this. A zip file compresses multiple items into one single downloadable package. Right-click your master folder and select Compress. A well-organized, easy-to-open zip file prevents customer service headaches and keeps buyers coming back. Log into your digital storefront dashboard. This is where your files connect with paying customers. Click Create New Listing and drag your zip files straight into the digital delivery slot. For your first launch, keep the price low. Set it somewhere between $2 and $5 to build initial momentum. Upload your best floral image as cover art in Step 1, lock your price in Step 2, and attach the zip in Step 3. You will see dozens of options for variants, tags, and advanced marketing. Ignore them for now. Overcomplicating Step 1 stops you from launching. Scroll down to the bottom and click Publish. Clicking that button turns you from someone casually testing AI tools into an active digital merchant. This is exactly what your prospective buyers will see. Your listing is live. You took a raw text prompt and turned it into a fully formatted, purchasable digital listing. Because this is a digital file, you don't hold physical inventory, pay for shipping, or restock materials. One zip file can be downloaded 10 times or 10,000 times. Building the product is only Step 1. A live storefront doesn't make money without buyers. So your next move is driving free, targeted traffic from Pinterest directly to this page.